Tu situ berani ko it's the last day of the month.
Yes.
Kita kali pun toka dia nama tak di bengkara di kuah, and it's also the second day of the television. Nanda benar ka Eleanor, yang benar ka Demesi.
Yan Rabanaka, I am sending morning vibes to everyone tuning in this beautiful morning. It is indeed beautiful, and as you can see, baka may upset ko na our weather today.
Right.
But sending morning vibes to all the students that are boarding the bus. Very short week this week. Wala taninado nga nasang lutule na buli. Para buka ista.
And also the job.
Right, and also the workers, yes. Hardworking parents that are tuning in this beautiful morning from the bus, the taxi, the private cars, the minibus, or whatever, the carrier, whatever vehicle that you are boarding this morning to go to work. We are greeting you from the Arch Palang Show.
In this morning. Hurry, how come you full stop emergency? Hey, good morning to everyone joining this morning. It's very pleasure, good pleasure this morning. Myself, I want to thank everyone. Today, some of us are unfortunate to reach this morning. We are fortunate enough to come this morning alive. Some
unfortunate to reach this morning.
Some people they're facing difficulties on their breathing.
Right.
Now
you will be soon.
In a different category of life we are. Some we are happy.
Right.
Some we are worried. Some we are frightened. Some we are
not ready.
But we are thankful. Be thankful that you have another day, you breathe, you hear something, you feel something, you are in the path of moving forward with another life.
Right. Many people are experiencing hardships and are worried, like you mentioned. What can be the cure?
The future is unpredictable and that can be unsettling, lack of control.
Okay. This is the reasons.
Okay.
All right. What else?
Expectation from family, society, or even yourself.
Okay, that's why they are worried, right?
Comparison, seeing others and feeling behind or unsure.
True.
So, in life, it's like that. Because you want to compare ourselves with another family. With others. We want to be like that. Don't. Be on your own shadow.
Right. Be satisfied of what you are able to achieve. Don't try and compare yourself with others to compete,
All right.
Right. What else?
Meaning, wondering what all of this is for.
Try to be meaningless.
Right. True, sometimes we are working every day, and then we think, why are we working? What's the use of us?
Why we are in Cuba?
Why am I doing this?
Why I wake up at every morning?
Right.
I'm worried about my work.
True.
Why I'm angry when my shoes is gone? And another pair is here.
Okay.
Why I'm so shouting about my children? Why I am so busy with my schedule?
Right. Why am I always frustrated?
That's some of the questions we ask ourselves.
Right.
Why I always anger when somebody talk to me? So but we are thankful.
Right.
Thankful. Thank you very much to everybody who have been care of what everything has happened.
No one knows you better than you know yourself. So what can you do to minimize?
No, if you percentage yourself,
right?
If you percentage you know yourself,
right?
What percentage are you in?
I don't even understand what you're trying to ask me.
You just give the percentage. Never mind, you don't know the question.
65%.
Why 65? Where are 35% goes? Come.
You said just give the percent. I don't even understand what you're trying to ask me.
Are you are...
Wait.
Even the UK and US, they understand my English, and you even don't know our English. We are from the same English.
Even the English that you're saying is confused.
Hey, everybody in the bus. Some people now are having breakfast this morning. We welcome you in another day of life this morning. Good morning to Vinny Marama. Sam Timothy from Adelaide, Australia.
Oh, good Yandres, Sam Timothy.
Nanda keke kamnieli ni boy
Right.
and everybody joining this
Kele
morning.
biri mo de wasa yan binaka meli na yad level
Yeah.
and epa no tamay bati oy
Right.
epa no tamay bati.
We were planning today to tell about us, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Before, we'll tell the story tomorrow. Okay, just this morning,
Yeah.
the things that give milk.
Right.
What
Things that
are
give
some
milk.
of the things that give milk? Let me see.
The female, they give milk.
Okay, how do they produce milk?
They produce milk because they have something in the stomach. They only they only give milk if something, the process of a pregnancy is there. You
Okay,
can
alright.
give milk
Right,
if you don't have the
Osa
pregnancy.
gito rin na kayo. Okay.
Right.
Right.
You come.
Osa gito rin na numpoy na ba?
If the milk
process of
only,
yeah.
Yes.
because no man can give milk.
But some men, you said, I can give you milk and honey.
Yes, that's because of honey there. The milk here.
That's the words.
Yeah.
Sweet words.
Yeah, because
Right.
you see the milk, you see the white.
Right.
You see the honey, you see the sweetie.
Right.
You put the sweetie and the heart.
Yeah.
You put the sweetie and the heart.
Auntie
The-
sweetie.
And the sweetie. You put them together.
Yeah.
They form a sweetish white.
Wait, wrong, oh. Tingnan mo ni Kuya Melokari, the Messi has the expired milk.
Are. Meunganga.
Hidden somewhere.
And imagine,
Yeah.
thinking of what we are doing,
Right.
Milk play a major role in our life.
Right.
Yeah.
Without milk, we are not able to survive in a proper manner.
Right. Milk provides calcium, eh?
Huh?
Calcium.
Plenty people. Because milk too, they help us fight against disease.
Right. True.
Yeah. There's one yellow milk. The first milk. Kaya anda baka muna weekend the fight against disease.
Right.
Na colostrum siya na naga. Yeah, ito na agriculture. That's a fight against disease.
Right.
Yeah. Wato tolo tambak. Yeah. That's the milk that comes together.
Yeah.
That fight against disease. Because
Right.
when you are young,
Yeah.
some of us we don't know it.
Yeah.
They help.
Okay,
Yeah.
sorry, okay. Last,
Colostrum.
okay, let's
Right.
go. When we milk the cow, when we milk the cow, the chirichina
Remember it.
allows the body
Right.
to give the milk.
Uh-uh.
The chirichina also can shut the gate.
Shut.
Right.
Because the adrenaline process.
Yeah.
Right.
The adrenaline, the hormones that stop everything because when they are frightened.
Yeah.
That's why if you want to go for the cow,
Right.
the cow is a female
Make it happy
cattle.
first, eh?
Huh?
Yeah.
Make them happy
Right.
to comfortable.
How do you make them happy, the Messi?
Kaya mo sindalingan.
Kau talaman dalam bulu makau tangan yang may tiyasan nandiyan rin ko tu. Asa kailangan may kinama. Teke baka dumo.
Dapat sa kalay.
Hey!
And nabuko ni kaka ng bulong-bulan ito kaniya baka kinibir ng
the
papalalay.
Right.
Kikibrin na siya matumay na baka lomanimba ni bulbakaw.
Oh,
Ada buko
tutoka.
di lompa na matang ni kuwa.
Iya.
Sala ki maru chimpa na suda na chilling center to toko.
Right.
Kibrin ni kanan do ni grabe ni yana di mata binak.